Welcome to the very first lesson of the Artificial Intelligence course, a complete introduction. As already mentioned in the intro video, in this course, I will walk you through all the basic concepts and important perspectives of artificial intelligence such as machine learning, fuzzy logic, and evolutionary computation. First, the lesson for today will show you some definitions of artificial intelligence and some real-life examples. Now, the first question, what exactly is artificial intelligence, or shortly AI? I bet that you have heard about AI recently much more than ever, because today everyone is talking about AI. AI is changing the world. AI is improving our products and services. AI is for many things. And even every university wants to add an AI course to their programs. Back to just some years ago, if you proposed using AI for your company's products, you might have a good chance that everyone laughed at you in your company's meeting. Believe it or not, but many people would think that AI is something like sci-fi rather than realistic. However, things have changed rapidly. Today, people will laugh at you if you state that using AI is not necessary. Because not only giants like Google, Facebook, Amazon are increasing their values with the help of AI, but also small and medium companies are trying to follow the trend because they have found that AI could bring them huge benefits. Furthermore, we are witnessing a large number of startups in AI have been created, and many of them have gained a lot of successes. As a matter of fact, nowadays you can find AI applications everywhere, from finance, marketing, entertainment, to autonomous vehicles, healthcare, military, or robotics. So, what is the definition of AI? Simply, AI is intelligence demonstrated by machines, in contrast with human intelligence. An ideal AI is supposed to be able to mimic human intelligence, like a machinal version of our brain. However, it is just an informal definition of AI so that everyone can easily understand. In computer science, AI is formally defined as the study and design of any intelligent agent which perceives its environment and takes actions to maximize the chances of successfully achieving its goals. It sounds a little bit complicated, right? But do not worry, you can understand this definition by looking at the following image. A humanoid robot is trying to catch an object from a human hand. In this context, the robot is considered as an intelligent agent, and its goal is to catch the object, right? The perception is performed by its sensors. For example, the robot's cameras are used to detect the target, and the action here is the movement of its arm accordingly. If you still get confused about this academic concept, there is absolutely no problem, because you can understand it progressively throughout the course. And for the moment, you can refer to the previous definition when you think about AI, a kind of intelligence demonstrated by machines. Okay? In fact, I could give you 100 examples of AI applications. You've definitely heard about something called email filtering system, right? Particularly, if you look at your mailbox, you should find a folder called Spam, and all potential spam emails are moved here automatically. How can your email application do that? We can say that it may be using AI and notably machine learning to detect spam emails. Besides, facial recognition technologies have been evolved by using AI approaches too. When you take a photo and upload it to some social network like Facebook, for example, you normally see that the application tries to detect human face appearing in your photo and suggests you the name of the recognized people. You should know that not too long time ago, facial recognition still needed a lot of improvements for an acceptable accuracy. But with the help of AI today, facial recognition is becoming much easier, and it is now widely used in many domains, notably in access control. Another popular example of AI applications that I could tell you is recommender systems. I bet that you must have seen a similar screen like this very often when you buy something on the internet. Indeed, online markets like Amazon always tries to suggest to their customers the most potential products that they are likely to buy. How can those systems guess correctly what you're looking for and even sometimes propose you the highest price that you are willing to pay? There is no magic here. It is artificial intelligence. Surprisingly, despite the fact that today AI is a very hot subject, it is not considered as a new technology but a great revival. In the next lesson, I will explain to you how AI has been strongly coming back to become a state of the art today.